Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, the Mad Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself light-up Black Santa electric spoon. This is pretty cool. This was a pretty easy make, guys. For the body, I took 2 popsicle sticks. I hot glue gunned them to a DC motor. I hot glue gunned a black spoon. I got this Black Santa off an old toy. It gives it some character. I hooked up a switch right here for the spoon to the DC motor. Positive to positive, negative to negative. 2 blue finger lights. It actually runs on 9 volts. I ran out of 9-volt snap-on, so I had to rig it with electrical tape and a rubber band. And I basically hot glue gunned it to the popsicle sticks. Got Rudolph in the back. And that's basically it. That's the do-it-yourself, light-up, Black Santa electric spoon. I really like this. Always be original, creative, and explosive. See things that other people don't see, and make cool things like the do-it-yourself, light-up, Black Santa electric spoon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.